All right. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, next week, kung hindi nyo po naabutan yung start ng program namin, next week po, nasa Robinsons, Manila naman po kami. And we have a lot of program in store for everyone. Not only what you've seen today, but there's a lot more there. And we have poster making contest happening there for kids of all ages. And ang nakataya pong prize money is 5,000 pesos. So if you know any a little bit older na mga grade 7 to 12, grade 7 to grade 12 na kids who are very good as an artist, so ask them to go to Robinsons, Manila. And next, yung hindi nanalo this week, pwede manalo ulit next week. And we also have, aside from the Gear Up Challenge for male firefighters, next week you will be seeing a lot of female firefighters in that mall sa Robinsons, Manila. All right, contenders, are you ready? Okay, so 2 of you will be declared winners, and you get to take home two-way radio. Okay, at the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Stage, please. Si Daddy, proud na proud. Nakakatalon pa. Just for today, tumatalon siya. So, congratulations.